guys, good evening. So today is the 15th of December and I'm here at the apartment. So it's almost 11 now in the evening, and yeah, it's been quite a busy last 2 days because I have to meet some of my friends who are here currently in New Zealand but now have left or about to leave. So it's been busy 2 days meeting these two people, and I haven't make a video, but I had a short clips of what we've been doing for the last 2 days with them. So yeah, just to show you how it has been in the last 2 days. So hope you enjoy, and until next time, see you. Bye. Good night. Ano, DJI? Sabi mo si Jeff. Basta Jeff.
Para sa'yo ito.
Para sa'yo ito. Ano yun? Hindi naman. Say hello! Hello, Tito Jeff!
Ano Miller?
Nasaan naman si Miller?
Hello!
Manentol.
Tatama
ka?
Gumala lang siya doon. Nandun yung pamilya niya eh.
Hindi, akala ko lumipan na siya doon.
Dami pa yung utang nun. Bangko dito.
Baka... Hindi man na.
Hindi, mas still.
Yeah, still man na. Halos din na nga siya kasi. Hindi, mas okay yung ganito. Diba dati parang malaki? Ay, oo. Pero yun naman, rough road naman yun. Rough road yun, kaya saan mo dalhin?
Amuna daw wala kami mayang buday pag-gabi. Pero pag aga, kapoy lang kami partners na.
Hampang gid sa
Aga, pero sundon-sundon sa dahil.
Good.
Balik tayo ng flying kiss.
Sama ka na.
Tuski.
Para may kalaro ka dun.
Babahin mami baba.
So ulan?
Kasi ano yung
Delivery?
delivery?
Hindi mo na, landline mo na.
Ayaw niya din yung babae.
Landline na. Dahil dire sa...
Di ba? Di ba ko? Bakal fish and chips.
Ayun lang, huwag na dahil.
Gusto ko na lang bahoy yan mo.
Good evening, we're going home.
What time it's? Noras? Oh, exactly 12 a.m. Uli na kami.
After na mag-meet si Phil at si Olan.
Yeah, late night
Friends na
drive.
malaga.
Early morning drive.
Because may duty pang ko karon morning.
Mira there.
Hindi okay na there. Good night guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.